Product Agility for Executives course is a 2 to 4 hour custom course. It's really targeted at understanding how agility can impact your business and why you might want to seek to change the way that your teams work or the way that they build products. The Product Agility for Executives course is a 50-50 mix of a collaborative discussion that's basically going to help you get to a roadmap for change and common alignment of what you wish to do, and then also an overview of agility. And when we speak of, I'm very carefully using the word agility versus agile. Agile often just refers to a specific process methodology. This course is really talking about, okay, how can we blend together tools, process, technology, and product thinking to get to a point where your business can be more responsive to market and so that you're going to get better return on investment. We're going to talk about those things. We're going to talk about different patterns of different transformations and how companies have gotten over some of the larger struggles, things like funding models, op models, getting out of the project mindset. So all of those types of things we'll touch on in this course. Then there'll be a collaborative conversation where we come together and kind of start to sketch or roadmap out what will your change plan look like? Where do we want to go from here? Where do we want to start? What's going to offer the most bang for the buck? So the outcome of this will be two things. Your senior executives will have an understanding of what some of this agility stuff is and why it matters to them across all of your different business functions. And then you'll walk out of there with a sketch of, all right, this is where we want to go from here.